Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be filming the makeup tutorial I did for the Spider-Man Homecoming homemade suit. This is based off the Spider-Man Homecoming movie where the Vulture fights Spider-Man and he's really beaten up, and yeah, so that's the makeup I'm going to be recreating. I'll insert a picture right there. And yeah, that's the look I'm going to be going for. So yeah, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so basically first you want to start off with I'm going to be using a black eye pencil, really like dark red eye pencil, and a lighter red eye pencil. The reason is that we want to create depth to the cuts that we're going to make, so the dark is going to help us do that, and the lighter is to give the illusion of the fresh blood. And the black, we're gonna do some like stains around our face because he has like a dirty face. So we're gonna try to recreate that using this. So yeah. So first of all, you're gonna want to start with your black paint, and it's actually pretty simple. You're just gonna put some dots, or not dots, but like some small lines across your face. Like so. Yeah, so here. And then it goes into the forehead like this, basically. You're gonna do that. And then it comes all the way around. He basically has this all over his face, so we're just gonna put lines all over. And on the nose right here, like 32, and right here, and you want to do this right here too. Okay, so once you've done that, what you want to do is you want to take a brush or anything. I'm just going to use my fingers because I find it easier to smudge it like this. So we're just going to start smudging this out to make it look like dirt. Like we just got like dirt all over our face, or like ash or whatever. So we're just gonna blend it in. See, like this, just to make it look like we're really dirty. Doesn't have to be perfect, but just get like the general idea of where it is. So I'm just smudging it. And by the way, I'm not a professional, so yeah, I'm just doing this for fun as a Halloween makeup.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Alright, so this is it for the dirty part of it. So you guys see, it's super simple. I literally did this in 3 minutes, so it's super simple. So after this is just doing the cuts, and he only has 2 cuts. He has one on the, what is it, the left side right here, like really close to the hairline right here, and then he has one on this side of the lip, and then he just has a little bit of blood right here. So yeah, it's really not that bad. He has, yeah, he just has this. The lip is actually on this side, and then the little bit of blood right here. So for the little bit of blood, we're just gonna use like the lighter red, and we're just gonna put a little bit here to give that effect that we're like bleeding from the nose, and that's it. So let's get to it. You guys want to start off with the lighter red first, just to make the outlines of where the cut should be. So I'm seeing in the picture, and it's like from right here. So from halfway from your lip. So this is halfway from your lip, and basically half of that. That's where he has it, and it's just a line kind of curving like this. Okay, kind of like that. Okay. Let me redo that. It's like more over here. Okay. Alright, so right now we're just outlining where we want the cut, so it doesn't really matter how it looks. We'll go over it after. So you just want to do that. And then the other, wait, where's the cut? Okay, so the cut is on the same side as this. So on this half of your face, you just want to lift up your hair. And it's gonna be somewhere right here. So basically just like a circle. Kind of big circle like this. Something like that. Okay. Okay. And then it's kind of blended out. So we're gonna blend it a little bit.
I don't wanna waste what's left.
Next step, you wanna do the nose thing. So he has it opposite from the cut, so it would be on the right side. So he basically just has like if blood was coming out of his nose. We just want to do that. Then he has it around his nose as well. You just want to put a line there and kind of just do that, blend it out.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah.
And now you want to go over it with the darker red, which is this one. So you just want to, basically you want to work towards the middle. You want to start in the middle and work towards the, blend out towards the end. So you basically start with, like, you could do a little like circle here with the darker. Okay, and then you want to blend that out. This is a very simple makeup because he doesn't really have much other than like the dirtiness and these little cuts. So it's a really simple makeup that anybody can do. If you're a beginner, I recommend doing this. I mean, I'm a beginner myself. I've done a couple of makeup, like special effects makeup before, but I'm not a professional either, so I would consider myself a beginner because I don't do it professionally, but I do it for fun. I think it's really fun to do that, and I enjoy doing it, so yeah. Let's see. Okay. And now let's go over this. You want to add the darker more inside than outside to add depth to it.
I don't wanna waste what's left, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow.
Alright. So it should look something like this. And we're actually gonna go over it with some black just to add a little bit more depth because I don't think the dark red is doing it for me. So I'm gonna add a little bit of black in the middle and just blend it out more. Mix it in with it.
Turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Alright guys, so yeah, you just want to do that. And then you want to blend it. You just want to go like that. Okay. And then I'm going to go over it with some light red again. And finally, the only thing I forgot to mention is we're also going to need some lipstick just to give it a little bit of gloss. So I'll be right back, and yeah. Alright guys, so I got the lipstick right here. We're just going to do that. Alright, you guys can see it's shinier now, which is what we wanted. So yeah. And I mean, that's basically it for the makeup. The hair, he just has it kind of like stringy down like this. You want to wet your hair and just kind of do this with it. Kind of just put it on your face a little bit. Like this. And that's it. This is the Spider-Man Homecoming, Spider-Man Battle Damage makeup tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more makeup tutorial, let me know and I'll try to do more. This was a very simple one, but if you guys want to, I could get into more elaborate ones, and yeah, I'll do them like this, just step by step what I do. And yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for more videos on this channel. And yeah, see you in the next one.